But first, Fox 13's Ben Winslow reports from Capitol Hill about the new groups who can now get the COVID-19 vaccine.
Two of Utah's largest counties will be moving to lower transmission levels, which means looser health restrictions, and people over the age of 50 will be able to get the vaccine starting next week.
We have, at every turn, worked to speed up eligibility when possible, and I'm pleased to announce that today is that day.
Governor Spencer Cox announced plans to offer the vaccine to those over age 50 starting Monday. It's still being offered to people 16 and older with comorbidities. That's now been expanded to people with types 1 and 2 diabetes and obesity with over 30% BMI.
If we continue to get the vaccines that we think we're going to get, and we continue to move through and we're able to vaccinate this category, we anticipate and hope that by April, the beginning of April, we'll be able to open up eligibility to every adult in the state of Utah.
We can end this pandemic sooner, and it's going to take everybody getting the vaccine when it's available to them. And that's how we will stop this pandemic and save lives.
Plans are being made to ensure no one falls between the cracks.
Our goal is to make sure the vaccines are administered fairly and equitably, and that every Utahn who wants a vaccine can get one, regardless of who they are or where they live.
Major changes were announced to the transmission index. Salt Lake and Davis counties were among those who've seen COVID-19 cases decline, so they go to a moderate level.
There are no restrictions on the number of people that can gather in moderate, so long as they are wearing masks.
On Capitol Hill, lawmakers were thrilled.
Great news. How can it get any better?
But lawmakers have been divided over whether the health restrictions in place go too far. There's been a push among some to lift the statewide mask mandate immediately.
We won't concur.
Senate leaders signaled any efforts to do that would be shut down.
We have to be cautious and we have to be careful and not allow for something to derail that train.
The governor also expressed his concerns about lifting all restrictions too soon.
We're so close to the end of this.
Health officials say in the meantime, people should continue to practice physical distancing and wearing masks to slow the spread of the virus, regardless of the transmission level, to avoid another spike. On the Hill, Ben Winslow, Fox 13 News.